What's up, everyone? This video is going to be a full demonstration so you can see this new software in action and see that it does work. The software is called uTube Daemon. Basically, what uTube Daemon does is it allows you to automate several different aspects of YouTube. I'm just going to walk through all of the modules and show it in action. That way, you can kind of get a better understanding of what all you can do with it, and also so you can see exactly how to use it for yourself for your own campaigns. Now, when you open uTube Daemon, you're going to see this is the module that it opens up to, the comment video module. Now, usually I would just start from this first module and work my way down, but when it comes to this program, in order for for your accounts to be able to work with these other modules, first you have to create a channel for each account. So instead of starting on the mass commenter, I'm going to start on the channel creator module, and then we'll go from there. Now, as you can see, I already have the channels created for these accounts that I'm using. But basically, all you have to do, you just click on Load All Accounts. Also, you can see right here, I just have this pulled over. That way I don't have to edit it out, and blur it out. But all you do, once you upload your accounts into the account manager and you set your proxies and your captchas and all that, the first thing you're going to want to do is go down to the Channel Creator module and click Load All Accounts, and then click Start after you set how many threads you want to run, or if you just want it to do one by one, it's up to you. Alright, so as you can see, I've already done that to try and save some time, since this video is going to be pretty long to begin with. Alright, but remember, always, whenever you have new accounts, always run them through the Channel Creator module first. Otherwise, you will not be able to use any of these other modules until you do. So, now that we got that out of the way, we'll go back to the comment video module. Now, what this does is, let's say you want to comment, have all your accounts go and comment on either a video or a reply to a video. This program will let you do exactly that. So, let's say you want to comment on a video. What you would do is just select the accounts. You can see you can choose multiple accounts, or you can just do one. But you select the account that you want to go and comment. Click on Select Comment up here. You can do a file. You can see for this, I just have something simple. It says that's really cool. I'll change it to say that's really neat. Whoops. There we go. Okay. So that's all my comment says for this quick demonstration. So you select your file over here. You check the box for whichever accounts that you are going to have go and post a comment. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get the here, I'll just close all this and start over. Let's say you want to comment on this video. What you can do is you can either right click this and then go down to copy link location, or you can open it in a new tab and then you can just highlight the address bar and copy it from there. Either way, it'll give you the same exact link. Then you just paste it in here, and then if you have proxies on your accounts and you want to run multiple tasks, then you can just check this box, select how many tasks or accounts that you want to run at the same time, and then click Start. But since for the demonstration I'm only going to use one account, I'm not going to bother running multiple tasks. So once you have that set up, again, make sure you're on video up here if you want to reply to a video. Put in your URL for the video and then click on Start. And you can see over here in the status, it will go and it will comment on that video. Okay, so You can see that's done. It's commented, and it left a comment saying that's really neat because that's what I had in the text file. Now, it's basically the same thing for a reply comment, but the only difference is here. I'll show you. Let's say you want to reply and have your accounts reply with a comment to this person. What you would do is you see this little timestamp next to each comment on the video. You're going to want to right click that, and the same as before, just copy link location. Make sure you change this to reply comment, and then you just paste that URL right here, and then you just click start. That's all there is to it. So moving on to the mass like, dislike, and voter module, we have the option to like videos, to dislike videos, to vote up a specific comment, to vote down a specific comment, or to flag a specific comment. So I'll just walk you through this real quick with just one account. Let's say you want to like a video. Again, you just go over, get your video URL, just the URL of the video that you want it to go and either like or dislike. Put that in right here. And choose if you want it to like or dislike the video. Here, we'll do dislike because that video has enough likes as it is. Change this just to something small real quick for the demonstration. You're going to want to keep that, a little bit higher unless you're using proxies, and then you can just do multiple tasks. But yeah, it's as simple as that. To like or dislike the video, you just choose which one you want to do. Put the URL of the video here. Select the account or the multiple accounts that you want it to go and do it, and then click on start. And you can see over here, it's going and it is disliking that video. And you can see it is disliked. All right, now let's say you want to vote up or vote down a comment or flag a comment. It's the same way as the commenter. What you're going to want to do is get that time-stamped URL. So since we already have it here, actually I'll just go over and choose a new one. Yeah, you just get that time-stamped URL right here next to each comment, and then copy link location, or you can go and open it in a new tab and then copy it from the address bar.
Since tonight is a night.
Whoops. And then copy it from the address bar up here. Either way, again, it will give you the same exact URL, no matter how you do it. So that's all you do for the. Oh, whoops, wrong one. That is all you do. Regardless if you want to vote up a comment, vote down a comment, or flag a comment. It's the same as the mass comment parameter, I guess you would call it. Okay, so let's move on, try and save some time. This is going to be a long video, I apologize. All right, moving on to the mass subscriber module. What this does is it'll let you go and either subscribe or unsubscribe from a specific channel. So let's say you want all your accounts to go and subscribe to a specific channel to build up the subscribers on it. You just select the accounts that you want to do it over here, put in the channel URL here. So for that, let's see, you can click in to their
It's Thursday night, and that means it.
Man, I wish it would automatically mute. Okay, you can see over here where it says channels, or it says channels right here. You're gonna want to use the ones down here, because here, for example, this one, we'll just copy that, and then I'll explain it in here so you can see what I mean. But you're gonna want the URL that has that youtube.com/channel and then that string. Now you're gonna notice, even though this says it's a channel over here, that just leads you back to the profile of the person where we are right now. You can see it says user instead of channel like it does for for the actual channel. So that's all there is to that. You can either choose subscribe or unsubscribe. So we'll just have it subscribe. Set this to something small. Uh-oh. Had to ash my cigarette. Sorry about that. But yeah. And then you choose the accounts that you want to go and do the action. Hit start. And you can see it is going and it is subscribing to that specific channel. And you can see it's finished. It has subscribed. Again, same thing for unsubscribe. All you do, you get that channel URL, check the accounts that you want to either go and subscribe or unsubscribe, and hit start. So moving on to the mass messenger. Now, what this does is this will let you send direct messages or private messages to other users from all of your accounts. So we'll just click on load all accounts. You can click right here to select all of them, or you can click on select all right here. Either way, it'll do the same thing. And then you're going to want to set a subject. Now the subject, that's just another text file. I don't have a subject set up, so we'll just make one real quick. Go in there. Just put a regular subject line for the demo. Like, hey, what's up? Okay. And then that is going to be our subject that it puts as the subject. And then for the actual message, you just click on set message, and here is what I have for my demonstration message. It just, something stupid like, hey, just want to send you a message, blah, blah, blah. So you select your message file. Here, let me get rid of all these because I'm not going to use all these. Okay. And then over here, you put the username. You can send it to multiple users, but you only do one username per line. So again, line 1 here, line 2, line 3, and so on. But we'll just do one user for the demo. So let's say I want to send this to Jimmy Kimmel Live. It's not letting me choose that. All right, so basically, you don't need the whole URL for this module. You just want the exact username. So for this guy, it's just Jimmy Kimmel Live, just like that. And then, all you do is click on start. Whoops. And you can see that it's going, and it is sending him the private message. Now, Jimmy Kimmel, he's a huge celebrity, so he's probably not even going to see that, but you can see it went and it sent the message to him. So it's really simple. Now for mass favorites, this is really easy. You can either favorite or unfavorite a video. This works the same as the like and dislike module. You just choose if you want to favorite or unfavorite. Put the video URL in here. So again, you want the actual video URL, not one of the timestamp comment ones. Put in your video URL. Select the accounts that you want to go and favorite or unfavorite that video, and click start. Well, after you set up your multiple tasks or your delays, either way. But yeah, once you have that, you click on start, and you can see it's going and it's favoriting that video. And it has been favorited. So now if we want to unfavorite it, you just choose to unfavorite, click start. Looks like they don't like me favoriting and then unfavoriting I guess so quick. It's all right. I'll just use a different account for the rest of them. All right, so basically that's all there is to it. Channel creator, I've already explained that one. All right, comment scraper. Now this is really useful. Basically, it does exactly what it sounds like it would do. It will literally let you scrape the URL, the author, and the comment of the that's on the video. So instead of trying to explain it, I'll just show you it. You can see this thing has 6,278 comments. So if you want to scrape the comments from this video, you just grab the video URL, put the video URL in right here. You can do multiple videos, just one per line, but for this, I'm just gonna do one, and then you click on Start. And you can see it's going, and it is scraping the comments and the authors from this video. There, I'll just stop that. Otherwise, it'll keep on going to 6,000 something. All right, so you're probably wondering, well, why the hell is this useful? Well, it's useful because you can remove any duplicates that are in here. There's not, because I only did 83 of them. You can select them, and then you can save either the URL and the comment, or you can save all columns. So, I mean, that's a really easy way to basically mine for comments to use in your campaigns. So we'll just name this scraped comments. And then we'll save only the URL and the content as a separate one. URL and comments scraped. Okay, so now we can get rid of those. But yeah, that's all there is to it for the comment scraper module. Now the video scraper module. This is another really awesome tool to have. You can either scrape the videos from a specific YouTube user, or you can scrape the videos from YouTube in general from your keywords. You can do one keyword per line. So let's say we'll put hot girls, money, clubs, whatever you want. Okay. You can use maximum limit, or you can limit for each keyword however many results you want. But you can also specify when it was uploaded. You can specify if you want to scrape videos, channels, playlists, movies, shows, how long the videos should be. You can do 4 minutes or over 20 minutes. You can do HD, closed captioning, Creative Commons, 3D, or live, or you just choose none. You can sort by relevance, upload date, view count, or rating. So obviously if you're doing keywords, you're going to want relevance. And then you just click on Start. And you can see it's scraping all of the videos that have hot girls right now. Oh wait, I forgot to use a keyword limit. Whoops. But yeah, you can see here. Let's just to give you an idea. I'll limit this to 20 per keyword. That way you can see it go through all 3 of them. You can see now it's scraping from whoops. Looks like 20 wasn't enough. So we'll do 100 for each one. There we go. But yeah, obviously the higher the limit for each keyword, the more results you're going to get over here. But you can see it's going, and it's scraping from all of these. So now what you can do is you can also remove duplicates over here, and then you can select all, and you can notice over here it'll tell you how long it is in seconds, how many views it has, what the rating is, the raters count, and the comment count of each of these videos. And then you can save either the URL by itself, the URL and the views, or all columns. So for this, we'll just save the URL, name it scraped URLs. And then you can go over to the video stats module. You can import those scraped URLs, and this will give you an even more in-depth look at each of these videos. You can see it shows you a lot more than just the stuff that you can see in the scraper module. So we'll just do 5 threads, and you can see every piece of information about every single one of these videos. I mean, it's really, really powerful stuff. And finally, last but not least, we have account statistics. Now, what this does is it will check to see if any of your accounts are having any problems, if they're disabled by YouTube or whatever. So you just, to do that, you load your accounts up, you go and click Update Stats, and then it will tell you how many videos you have uploaded, if they are disabled by YouTube or not. And yeah, I mean, that's all there is to it. If you do have any disabled, you can click on Delete, and then delete Suspended in the master list, and it will automatically remove any disabled accounts from the account manager for you. So yeah, I mean, it's really really powerful software, and they're going to be adding more and more features with each update as they come out. Also, there is a well, I don't know if there is yet, but I'm pretty sure he's going to be adding a private forum for all of the buyers. That's how he does it on all his other products, so I'm sure this will be the same. And from there, all of the buyers of uTube Demon will be able to go and contact the support team and make any suggestions that they might want added for future updates. So let's see, 22 minutes, yeah, definitely a lot longer than I thought it would be. I apologize, I know I can ramble sometimes, but I just wanted to make sure that I showed everything in action. Make sure that you guys completely understand how to use this. So after you're done watching this demo, you'll be able to get it and jump right in. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.